Hello there. Today I'm going to explain to you how to use AutoGuide and where all the settings are found on the menu. First up, go into the AutoGuide menu here and we can use today Go mode. There is also this more advanced features, but today we're going to use Go mode. Press Go and then this large green button here, Go, and now you get to set in your machine width. Today I've got a 3-meter mower behind the tractor and I want to set an amount of overlap to 5 centimeters, so I'm going to press it like so. It then automatically calculates your wayline width. Press OK. Now we have here the different types of wayline. We can have straight AB line, we can have a contour line, or we can have A plus heading. Today we're going to use AB line. Press OK, and now we come to the map. If we press the A button, it will drop the A point. We can then drive at least 10 meters forward and press the B point. That will then drop us the markers. We will then have our waylines created across the entire field for us at the correct wayline width. Then simply turn on AutoGuide and off you go. It'll be your easiest AutoGuide setup ever.
Valtra, your working machine.